Good morning everyone, and welcome to Creating a New Journey. This is a short video. I wanted to share my favorite plant in the world. It's the hibiscus satidorphia, if I'm saying that correctly. It is just full of buds. I had a couple buds that started to open up yesterday, and I was excited because, like I said, I wait all year for this flower. So these 3 flowers will probably be fully open by this afternoon. Red is one of my favorite colors. Red stands for love. Spread the love today. Give someone a smile. These flowers made me smile yesterday. I have this flower wall, and it's doing really well. I need to sweep those stones off. They catch a bunch of debris from the pine trees above. Oh, there's my doggy. He's enjoying the morning. I have this area right here where he's sitting. You see that little buildup of dirt right there? I'm going to create some fake stones out of porcelain cement. And I'm going to also create a bird bath that lays on the ground. So when I start that process, I'll share it with you. But I'm sort of going to put it in a little bit of a curve. I'm not going to have it going straight across that bare area. I'm sort of going to blend it in to this little area right here. I also love geraniums. My daughter calls these old lady plants. She said only old ladies love those plants. Well, I guess I've been an old lady forever. When I first built this wall, I planted snapdragons, and these snapdragons came up by themselves. I guess there was still some seeds there from like 2 or 3 years ago, because I didn't plant anything last year. So they came up by themselves. I just left them there. Isn't this pink beautiful, this magenta color? Here's like a bubblegum pink. They're all beautiful. Nature is amazing. These here are not so full for some reason. At the end of the flower wall, I planted some kale just to see if it would take off, and it's growing. I think I can come out and cut some for a green smoothie, because I haven't had any fresh kale in a couple of days. I need to go to the grocery store. Here's some snapdragons that came up by themselves also. They're a really pretty color of red. I planted some cucumbers right here, but they're not taking off. They look sort of puny. I only have 2 on this plant. One cucumber looks, oh, okay. The other one looks really puny. This plant's not doing too good. But it did give one cucumber. What can I say? So I have a total of 3. Have a great day and take the time to be creative and do a little bit of exercise. Eat your greens. Mama always said, eat your greens and your fruit. Have a great day. Bye-bye.